So this is my design project 1. It is a simple stress reliever. The point is to signal and visualize mental state through use of lighting, and it will help raise self-awareness of our own subjective well-being, including a meditation guide with the breathing of light. The input will include a digital input, the button control here, an analog input, which is the force sensor here. The first feature is a self-test mental pressure sensing. It has 5 levels, and it will use this force sensor here. When you put your finger around and gives it some pressure, it will have 5 different levels of lights display. The first, I'm putting very light strength here, is green lighting, and it will give slow and gentle breathe. And the second level, you just press a little bit harder, it will turn to yellow light with slow and calm breathing, which is faster than the previous but still very slow. And then here is the blue light, which is the third level. You can see it's more fast-paced than previous two. If I add a little more, it will come to the fourth level, the red light. The breathing is becoming fast. And if I squeeze it very hard, it will be purple light with the buzz, very rapid breathing. And on the screen, it will also show high stress level. So it's signaling that you're experiencing high mental stress because you're giving too much force. So you can adjust your force accordingly. This can also act as a visual guide for meditation if you want to breathe with the light. And the second feature of the stress reliever is the toy here. You can play with it by pressing the button. It has 5 different lighting effects, and you can just play around with it however you want. The first, if you press it very shortly, it will give white light. A little longer, blue light blinking, or green light. Purple light, rapid blinking, and another is red light. And you can just play around it with however you want. It's very stress relieving. Another feature is if you press more than 3 times, very long press, the purple light, it will prompt you to meditate by taking 3 deep breaths as shown by this white light here. It's very calm breathing, and you can just take deep breath with it. After doing so, you can back to playing with your toy, or you can also use this force here to guide yourself to do some meditation and breathe according to the light.